how to create amazing green screen effects on your phone. So here's how you can do it. First, you need to have a video. After that, open up a CapCut application. After opening your CapCut, you need to go with edit, which will be on the bottom left. And then you need to go with the new video option. Go and select the video. After selecting the video, you need to go with add, which will be on the bottom. Make sure that you have a green screen on your video like this. I have a video right here. So once you have your video, you need to just simply tap on your video. You'll find an overlay option right here. You need to tap on overlay and then tap on add overlay and select the same video. Adjust the size as you like. Once done, you need to go with the bottom and tap on remove BG, which is remove background. Once you've selected that, you need to go with chroma key. And here you need to go with the color picker and select the green screen. After selecting, you can go with the intensity. Once you adjust your intensity and shadow, then you will get this kind of interface. That's how you can use green screen effects on your phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.